In TypeScript, we have modifiers that we can apply to our properties. For example, let's say we have an ID property that should never change. At the moment, we can go inside our method and do this, .id equals -1. Similarly, we can go outside the class and modify it on the object. This could lead to bugs or security issues in our application. To solve this problem, we use the readonly modifier. So we go in front of the ID property and say, read-only. Now the property can only be set in the constructor, and if we try to modify it somewhere else, it'll raise an error. Another useful modifier is the optional modifier. Let's say we add a nickname property to the class. For the user, it'll be completely optional. They can choose if they want it or not, so we don't want to set it in the constructor. To mark a property as optional, we just add a question mark after the name. And that'll also clear the error. We'll talk about how to safely change property values a little later on. For now, let's move on to access modifiers.